sorry about that. We're having some problems with the clicker. That happens more often than it should. A lot for you to keep track of today.
That's for sure.
Sun, rain, now there's fog, all this humidity. You can just feel it on your skin, you know, when you walk outside.
Absolutely, and that's how that humidity kind of really makes all the storms pop up, and we even saw some fog this afternoon. It's almost specifically to Portland, down to a quarter of a mile in terms of visibility. Wow. And if we take a look outside right now, hopefully the graphics have started to work.
There
yes,
we go.
Perfect. So if we take a look outside, and you can't really see much, and it's not just because it's dark outside. That's because there's only about a quarter of a mile of visibility in terms of fog. So currently it is 66 degrees with a 66-degree dew point, very humid outside, and that's what's causing a lot of that fog to pop up as well. So Portland, we've popped up to half a mile of visibility, but you can see that the metro area and just south of it is really where we have that fog. The rest of the state is looking pretty clear. So just if you're in that area, be aware of any low visibility if you're doing any driving later tonight. And if we go to the radar, most of us are pretty dry. We do still have a couple of showers and storms popping up in the county near Presque Isle. They were warned for some flash flooding earlier, but that has since expired. But you are going to want to keep an eye out for some showers and storms and the possibility of some flooding if you're out and about late up in this area. But as we get into tomorrow, things are going to start to look a little bit better. Currently, the only watches and warnings we have left is a coastal flood advisory down south of the Portland metro area. So if you're along the coast, that's where you have to just keep an eye out for a little bit of flooding. Temperature-wise, we've dropped down into the upper 60s in most places. Somewhere a little bit warmer today, still in the 70s, but overall it is very, very humid outside. Temperatures in the middle 60s, dew points in the middle 60s. That means it's very muggy outside today, and that's why some areas are picking up on some fog as well, which we'll see into tomorrow morning as well. So as we get into tomorrow, most of the state will be relatively clear. Could have a couple of clouds remaining in down east. As it gets warmer throughout the day, could see some afternoon showers popping up. Otherwise, it'll be pretty clear, and that'll be a rinse and repeat for Thursday, where again, we could have some fog in the morning, but then we'll have mostly clear skies throughout the day. Now, if your fireworks got delayed until tomorrow, not going to be too bad, about 70 degrees. Some patchy fog in some places may hinder the viewing a little bit, but otherwise, mostly clear skies. And if you're going to be out on the boat, seas at about 3 feet, and the water down to 59 degrees. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, the next few days aren't looking too bad. If you're doing any fireworks or belated 4th of July celebrations tomorrow, just watch out for a couple of possible storms. Then as we get into Thursday, much warmer, getting into the upper 80s in some places. And then as we get into Friday and into the weekend, that's where we have a system that's starting to move in, where we could see some more rain showers. And then as we get into next week, that's where more rain is going to come in. So Chloe, I think for the next couple of days, I'm really going to enjoy the sunshine, try to get out and enjoy it.
Yeah, that is the moral of the story there. All right, thank you, Dana.
Absolutely, of course.